Alright, Old Man Reviews here, and we are working our way through Spider-Man for the Nintendo 64. I am the old man in question, and in this level I have discovered oh, I just lost my special suit. Alright, so in this level, we are fighting some of the Lizard's experiments, which were already alluded to in some of the first levels, where they were showing some of those on different billboards and that. I found the easiest way to take out the Lizard's experiments is with the impact webbing. They'll bite you and inject you with venom. It takes you a few seconds. Venom. They'll inject you with venom and it takes a few seconds to wear off. The impact webbing really does the best job of keeping them at bay. There's various pickups along here, a lot of power pickups and a lot of webbing. So don't be worried about running out of webbing if that's your main concern. And then the main thing is just to get to the end. It's not an overly difficult level if you remain in the center of the car. If, however, you get close to the edge, notice that when you punch, you're moving forward. So if you're punching one off the side of the car, well, hundreds. Sorry, I had to answer that question. When you punch, you're moving forward. So if you end up punching and moving forward, you will fall off the side, which I've had happen numerous times.